you Saber fans. So we're going to be taking the Saber, just the one we worked on the other day, and we painted a gold and red. I did a thin coat of black over top of it, because now we're going to go back. We're going to take this 400 grit sandpaper. We're going to sand down in different areas, take the Dremel, go back and do some Dremel work to bring out these cracks and stuff like that, like we did before. I like to have a variation of 2 depths to it, so I do the cracks first and then I paint it all, so it gives this kind of bottom depth, and then I go back and Dremel out some of the marks again to do that variation. So it's going to look really cool. You'll get this cool weathered effect, but you'll get these pops of color underneath too, and then we'll work on the pommel as well. So sit back, listen to some cool tunes, enjoy, and I'll see you in a little bit. check this out. Did the sanding here and made these colors really now shine and pop out. So we have the gold up here, mixing in with the red. Went back, did some Dremel work, make the chrome pop out where I did the Dremel work before with the black underneath, so it gives this really cool two-tone effect now. Yeah, it looks awesome. So this transition from the Jedi gold up here down to the Sith red really completes the story of the saber now. Adds a lot more to it than this plain old black saber was before. Got our pommel here, some weathering, the gold popping out, and the cracks on there. So now the cool thing with this, it already looks pretty cool, and now once you add the clear coat on top of it, it's really going to make all these colors pop, and it's going to be a nice cohesive look to it, because you'll have this sheen that matches with the shine of the chrome and the black and the gold. It looks awesome, trust me. I hope you enjoyed this quick workshop viewing. Stop back again and we're going to show you what it's going to look like after there's clear coats on there, and it's really going to shine. So take care, God bless.